Hey, so if you're getting a file not supported error in VLC, yeah, like the video won't open or it says the format is unsupported, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, try playing a different video file. This helps you check if the issue is the file or VLC itself. Next, yeah, close VLC completely and reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Now, make sure the file format is actually supported. VLC supports most formats, but corrupted files can still fail. Yeah, make sure VLC is updated. Older versions may not support newer codecs and formats. Now, hardware acceleration can sometimes block playback for certain files. Try turning it off in settings. Yeah, switch the video output module. DirectX or OpenGL can help fix rendering issues. Now, some files need extra codecs. Installing a codec pack can help VLC decode them properly. Yeah, if the file still won't open, try converting it to another format like MP4 or MKV. If nothing works, reinstall VLC. This resets all playback components and fixes broken configurations. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC file not supported error. Most of the time, it's outdated software, missing codecs, or corrupted files. Try these steps and your video should play normally again. Thanks for watching.